In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text on Wix. We'll walk through the exact clicks you'll make in the Wix website editor, plus a few practical tips to help your text look clean, consistent, and easy to read. Start by opening the Wix website editor for your site. Once the editor loads, click the text element you want to change. You'll see a small toolbar and a larger settings panel appear. Click Edit Text to open the full text settings. If you're drafting new copy or need inspiration, click Generate Text with AI. This can quickly create a starting point tailored to your page. Review what it suggests, then close that window and click Edit Text again to refine the wording yourself so it matches your brand voice. Next, open the style list and choose Heading 3. Selecting a theme. Heading keeps spacing, color, and font consistent across your site. If you see a starred version, that indicates it's a preset connected to your site's design. Choose Heading 3 to apply it. With the text panel still open, continue clicking through the highlighted formatting controls to fine-tune your content. Adjust the font family and size to match your design system. Set the weight for emphasis instead of overusing bold, and choose a color that meets contrast guidelines for accessibility. Align left for paragraphs, center sparingly for short titles, and use lists only when you're presenting steps or items. If you add links, make sure the text clearly describes where the link goes. Open effects to add subtle styling like shadow or outline, but keep it minimal for readability. Then open character and line spacing to set letter spacing and line height. Small tweaks here can dramatically improve legibility, especially on mobile. Try vertical text if your layout calls for it, but remember it's best for short labels rather than long paragraphs. Open SEO and Accessibility and confirm the correct text role, such as heading or paragraph. Use an appropriate heading level so your page hierarchy makes sense to search engines and screen readers. Add any additional descriptions offered by the panel to make your content clearer for all visitors. When you're satisfied, click Publish to push the changes live, and finally, click Done to close the confirmation. If your site uses theme styles, these choices will stay consistent on other pages, which saves time later. And if you're collaborating, leave a quick note in your workflow